So, hi, my name is Tommy, and in today's sauna build video, I'm showing you how I made the stove and the benches of my new sauna. So I think it looks pretty nice at the moment. And also I made the windows, window lines. I still have some sidings I need to put up here just to hide the corners, and a window sill all the way down there. And then it's pretty much done on the inside. In the doorway too. And I put up some, as you can see behind me here, these corner lists. It's not the prettiest corner. I have no idea how to do those properly, but I improvised. And on the other side, does give it a little more interesting look, in my opinion. Having a bit darker wood in the corners just to close it off. But the benches came out really sturdy. It's 28mm boards, so they're pretty solid. And the construction underneath, it's just like a Tetris piece under the benches with a 90 degrees, so it keeps it level. And I have strengthened the inside the walls. There's beams going across inside the walls, and I have thick screws going in. And at the moment, the benches are still loose, so I can remove them when needed. But they're not going anywhere. I can just about pull them out. So I think it looks nice. And I still have some lighting to do underneath the benches. So I'm gonna put some LED lists underneath the benches and behind the backrest there, I think, and see how it looks when it's done. But I haven't ordered those yet, so we'll see how they look when they come. So here's the video. Thank you. Kommer upp ifrån pretty good stable platform to build on. So I'm either a idiot or a genius. I needed some spacers, so I just took some dowels and doweled on some spare wood pieces I had laying around. And now I have 5mm spacers.